Keep watching today's video because I'll show you 4 different places where you may get paid right now with no skills or prior experience. Every single one of them is accessible from anywhere on the planet. There's no need to invest any money to get started. Just be patient and don't skip any of them. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So before I show you these websites, let me say a few words. I should point out that they're not gonna make you rich in any way, but they are a great way to make some money quickly without putting in too much effort. But if you're looking for long-term strategies, stay tuned because I'll be posting videos with ideas that'll provide you with revenue for a much longer period of time soon. Now that's out of the way, the first of the 4 sites I'll be showing you today is this right in front of your screens. It's one of the oldest, most durable, and possibly one of the best websites out there to make money online. The first thing you'll notice is that it looks a little outdated, which isn't surprising given that this site has been around since 2005, as you can see at the bottom of the page. As a result, it's one of the oldest money-making websites around, and as a result, it's 100% legit. It would have vanished a long time ago if it hadn't been discovered. Members of this website have earned nearly $8 million, as you can see on the left. If you want, you can look at the payment proof by clicking the link below. For those curious, the site is now available in most nations throughout the world, just as I promised, so it's mostly worldwide as far as what you can do on here to get paid. So this site features a large range of options which may be divided into 3 categories: offers, surveys, and games. Filling out forms, testing things, making money, performing searches, and completing tasks are all examples of offers, so you can pick and choose from some of these to discover which ones you like best. Even if you don't like them, the site pays well for completing them. Just like it says, take 8 daily cash surveys available every day, worth up to $1 each. Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid survey opportunities. So you get paid $1 for every survey, which isn't a lot of money, but it's a lot more than other websites, which is essential for us. Games are also a great option. Believe it or not, they can be quite enjoyable. If you don't have a lot of time, you can refer some people here to earn passive income, but I would recommend alternative sites because make money online sites don't pay very well, and I don't think they're worth the hassle. With that said, you must first establish an account to get started here, which you can do so by entering your email address and first name right here. Now, I won't go over it because I'm confident you'll be able to handle it independently. But before I end this first website, let me share with you the URL of where you can find it. TreasureTrooper.com is the URL. Just go there and do everything we showed you and earn money online. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Okay, so the second website we'll look at today is surveya.com. As you should have guessed by now, this one pays you to complete various types of surveys, which is precisely what their homepage says. It also demonstrates that it's available all around the world, which is really essential to us. More information is accessible below, and I'll start to get into it in a minute. Down here, as you can see, they send paid surveys in euros that can be converted into PayPal or Amazon vouchers. They care about your opinion, and you're paid for expressing it. You can see on the right that in addition to surveys, you can get paid over the internet, find out how to make money on the internet, or how to save while maintaining the same lifestyle. Lots of curious news, smart solutions, and funny videos await you. So they genuinely provide some information on how to make money online and other exciting things. you can see how you can get paid. As is typical, the case PayPal is a choice for this website, along with a few others. If you aren't a huge lover of PayPal, click on and discover all the awards just below to see all of the many methods you can get rewarded. If you continue scrolling down here, you can see some of the website's features. First and foremost, this website is accessible in 123 countries worldwide. So as I promised, we're talking about an almost global site that works regardless of where you're coming from. You can sign up from 5 continents. The site is in 5 languages. The user profile and surveys are in the language of the country you live in. See the list here. So if you're not from the United States and English isn't your first language or you don't know it very well, it doesn't matter, which is a very remarkable feature that I don't think many websites have. This website is highly popular as there are 2 million registered users. To the right, we can see that over €1 million have been redeemed so far, with payments made through PayPal, Amazon, Zalando, Decathlon, Skrill, and Payza. As a result, this site is not only accessible from everywhere in the world, but it also offers a variety of payment alternatives. To begin earning money here, simply return to this page and click the Sign Up for Survey Yeah button. From there, fill in your information and you're set to go. Let's move on to PrizeRebel.com, the third website on my list today. You can begin earning money online right now by completing numerous surveys. PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay enable you to get compensated in cash or gift cards. They offer hundreds of brand name gift cards, direct bank payments, PayPal and Visa gift cards, as you can see below. This is a fantastic site since you'll be given the option of being paid in cash. That's okay, but if you want, you may offer a gift card with Google Play, Amazon, and Roblox gift cards being the most popular options. Below is further information on how this works. So they're seeking people who wish to participate in surveys and share their ideas in exchange for points, which can be subsequently exchanged for cash. Now, a pretty cool and unusual feature of this site is that some people have gotten really good stuff for entirely free. Obviously, you won't obtain these easily, but there's a chance, and that, in my opinion, is a fantastic addition to this site. On their webpage, the last thing we see is that they are featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, and Site Jabber and Insider. To get started, simply input your information here and click Start Making Money, or if you prefer, you may sign up with only one click via Facebook. I'll leave that up to you. The final site on my list is one that I have already mentioned before in one of my earlier videos, but for those of you who may have missed it, the website is called surveytime.io. This is another wonderful site for earning money by taking surveys. As you can see from the reviews on Trustpilot, it has some of the best. Overall, I would recommend combining this site with the other 3 that I showed you in order to maximize your earnings. Anyway, since I've already discussed this site, I won't go into great detail about it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.